The Permian time period was the last time period of the Paleozoic era and lasted from 290 million years ago to 250 million years ago. During this time period, the water started to dry up and the lush swamps were replaced by drought-resistant plants. There were small forests due to the lack of water, and ferns started to evolve. Two land masses formed. They were called Laurentia and Gondwana. They came together to form Pangaea. When Pangaea formed, so did the Appalachian and Ural Mountains. The climate differed greatly. The north had intense heat and seasonal fluctuations between a wet and dry climate. In contrast, the south was cold and was frozen under ice caps for half of the time period. At the beginning of this time period, 90% of marine life died out. During this time, brachiopods and trilobites became extinct, most likely due to their inability to adapt. But fortunately, land life survived. The dominant animal at the beginning of this period was the synapsids. Every 3 out of 4 were paleosauruses. Their tooth differentiation was probably their most remarkable feature. It allowed them to become herbivores or carnivores, but unfortunately they went extinct in the late Permian period and replaced by the therapsids. Therapsids had 2 large canine teeth. There were subgroups of therapsids that included Udenodons, the Lastrosaurus, and the Kenenyareria. Udenodons were 8 inches long and lived in corkscrew burrows. There were also hog-sized animals with beak-like mouths called the Lastrosauruses. Kenenyareases were hippo-sized herbivores. There was another group of animals called cynodonts. They evolved at the end of the period into mammals. They had short tails, backwards elbows, forward knees, powerful jaws, and diverse teeth. They lived partway through the Jurassic period with the dinosaurs and then became extinct. For no apparent reason, there was a mass extinction at the end of this time period. Due to the lack of water, forests shrank. The many plants of earlier time periods were replaced by drought-resistant plants such as Waldchias in the north and Glossopteris in the south.